As a teacher, I know that you're the great teacher for entire our wildlife fraternity. But for how you involved in the conservation sector?
Well, see, from the childhood, I was interested in birds, and of course, in Shillong, I was born there. So my father used to give me ducks, so I had to run around. But well, after coming from that area to Guwahati, we see actually we are looking at the wildlife everywhere. It is not like other states. It's urban wildlife. It's plenty. Around 40 mammals will be found in Guwahati city. Maybe 250 species of birds. So when we came around 70s, as a lecturer I joined, then we started thinking about it, what to do. We used to go to Kaziranga repeatedly. As soon as I got time from 68 when I was a student, I used to go. Director Kaziranga was there, first director Lahon. He was also encouraged me to take out these types of subjects. He used to take me out there. Now you see, one of the issue is people has got a heart. Here the problem of heart is not a problem. Everybody wanted to save some animals, but science was lacking. I have got some, I know one incident where they captured, they rescued one rhino calf in Kohora. Then I was there nearby. They were trying to put it water, milk and tea also. So I thought that, you see, heart is there. Everybody wanted to save it, take it to mother, but they don't know where to release it. So releasing it's also a science. Rescue is a science. Treating is a science. So that part was lacking.
Exactly.
For the people in general, they wanted to protect everybody, every species. They don't want to kill. Now issue is, whenever I got a chance, because I have got that background, I got a chance of putting it. So we started that animal ecology and wildlife biology in Guwahati University.
Sir, I want to interrupt a little bit here, but yeah, I understand the science is here a little bit of lacking, but somewhere no science. I still feel that there is a lot of resources. We actually lag behind of the resources, and without the resources, conservation almost like a conversation.
Yeah.
So how we can overcome these challenges in present context? Because resources is one of the most priority.
Yeah.
Because we have a very good heart in across the northeastern. We love wildlife.
Yeah.
But your advice is to new generation how to culminate both one this science and
there are all the people, a lot of people are in education field. Those who are interested in wildlife conservation, in science as a science. But what happened? The funding is a issue. But when we have to go move around, you have to have a car. Now, in that sense, the conservation NGOs, you have to develop a project only through projects. So what Aaranyak has shown is an NGO. There are a number of WWF, WTI. They are working under projects. So government schemes are not there for people. There is no government scheme. Nowhere. You have to give a project for different sources. DST, Ministry of Environment, Forest, and even NEC, like that, if you can got that project. Now, you say, unless you don't engage a project, you don't get. But interestingly, this is also an opportunity. Without money, if it is government job, you have to go at 10 o'clock. You have to go to biometric and other 5 o'clock, you cannot go. But that type of situation is not there.
Exactly.
It is, Northeastern region, conservation is the part of lifestyle of the people.
Exactly.
You cannot separate them.
Yeah.
So, see, that's why we get confused. That how to do it, how to do it. We have appointed some boys who is neither very good qualified people, but they are from this area. They are doing excellent job. I know some of the people who has appointed them because they know how to sleep anywhere. They eat the common food and other thing. There is no 5-star is required. So in wildlife, those who have a field interest, they can always go. This is a part of their lifestyle. They will be healthy. Instead of have a weak thing, but major issue is people will have to come to a level with technology, whatever expertise is available, As soon as you get the expertise, people will catch hold of you. International funding is also, national funding, international funding will be gradually reduced. National funding are there, but unconventional funding is very important. Like there are some individuals, he wanted to spend money, a lot of money is there. He wanted to spend money. I know some of the cases in Sundarban area. One gentleman suddenly said, I've got money, I want to spend in Sundarban. Whatever NGO is there, will come in, they will come.
Yeah.
Huge money will come. So you have to keep in track of the source of the money.
Exactly.
There should be a separate section for all NGOs to have a finance section, which are the generating projects and projects everybody should be developed. And then there should be naturally a corpus fund will be required.
Yeah.
Now, you keep in mind, government sources is important source. You must have do some government work. It gives you a credibility.
Exactly, sir.
Otherwise, you see, there is NGO is not enough. Government will say they have got a law. We cannot do anything. We have got a rules and regulations. You have to follow all this. Yeah. But after following all this also, you can get. Why Assam cases today we have seen the pygmy hawk? This is a very important success story. I know about this case because Dr. William Oliver, he used to come. He's a tall fellow, around 7 feet. We used to go 7 years it took to take permission. Because government is also not very convenient. How there is conservation bidding? What is this? Can the bidding be done here? And after 20, 25 years, it is releasing back.
Yeah, sir.
So
yeah.
This is the patience and interest.
Yeah.
Please
exactly.
keep your interest. I tell if you are born in India, you are fortunate. If you are born in Andhra, you are double fortunate. So people of Assam, boys of Assam, students of Assam and the activities of Assam, their pass mark is not 30, their pass mark is 70.
Exactly.
So a boy from Assam, if I appointed it, it is always an advantage.
Mm-hmm.
Because he knows the local language. He can't go anywhere, he can sleep anywhere, he has got relatives here and there. Exactly. So he can sleep. He will enjoy. Mm-hmm. Instead of going 10 and 5, job, government, so on. So this life is a different life.
Exactly.
The conservation is coinciding with the culture of the society. Mm-hmm. The culture is not different. You see in Upper Assam earlier, there is a completely body. Means you have got a wetland, you have got a forest, you have got this. Only some nimok, only salt you have to purchase. These are the independent.
Exactly, sir.
Unit. Assam is a culturally unit. It's a family is a unit of culture.
That's why we link the science, culture and conservation and everything. That
science will have to be there because science is there. Otherwise, this like the veterinary.
Yeah.
Sciences will have to be there. So veterinary science, but Ayurvedic science is also there. Mm-hmm. We have seen the Ayurvedic science there is also very important. Somebody was with homeopathy, somebody treating tiger, treated tiger in Guwahati. Okay. With homeopathy. So these are the experiments done in Assam. Yeah. So this is possible.
Yes.
So you can do it. The importance of the people of Assam is
exactly.
Those who are residents, they can do experiments. Yeah. Because they have got a half knowledge already in their mind.
Exactly.
Through culture it is entered. Yeah. So we have seen this type of rhino. We don't have too much of talk about these buffaloes. Yeah. The river buffalo and swamp buffalo. Chromosomal differences are there. Mm-hmm. But both of them are there. Yeah. And they are enjoying, but we do not talk much about it. We talk about rhino. Exactly. We don't talk about rhino. Elephant is there. Elephant is our pride. Mm-hmm. There are so many prides are there.
Yes.
In a family, all the people are Nobel laureate. All 5-6 people are Nobel laureate. Similarly, is the case here. So that's why our responsibility is also more. Exactly. Now we have to start with habitat. Exactly. Grasslands, wetlands, forest. Yeah. Forest, everybody is looking at it, but nobody is looking at a grassland. You can well imagine that the daily how much food is taken by rhinos and elephants and Kaziranga. But 3 lakh kg with the population. This is a way, an estimation says 3 lakh kg per day they are eating. Yeah. Who is supplying them? Yeah. So you see, habitat ecosystem services is one thing. We get everybody's benefited out of it. They are also benefited. They are not claiming anything. We want SC restricted. But if you go to forest area, you don't require a SC. So remember, living in Assam and working in Assam is a nasib ka baat hai.
Exactly, sir.
So we started the animal ecology, wildlife biology in 81, 82. And it started with a subject. We just wanted to do something because we were looking at it.
Exactly.
So our vice chancellor, they have supported us.
Exactly, sir.
And then it picked up.
Yeah.
And we cannot give them knowledge, but knowledge will have to be acquired. But there is a system.
Yeah.
We have put them system into the place.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, people were doing, boys were doing their own, of their own.
So, in the midst of that, how do you feel the Aaranyak positions and how you feel that Aaranyak can contribute on the greater conservation area in case of across Assam, Northeast?
It's now see, I have seen the Aaranyak, maybe 30, 35 years now. They started in Bibura College, one or two boys started. Then I came to university. Then Bibo came also in specialization. Now see, because it is originated from here, it is going to be a banyan tree. People will have to come here and get an internship and enjoy.
Sure.
And this is the only organization which I have felt in name is Aaranyak. Otherwise, all English names are there.
Exactly.
Nobody touches again green, white, green, like that, everything.
Yeah.
So this is the only organization which is touched like this.
Touch to the soil.
Touch with the soil.
Yeah.
And we have got a tradition also. We have got traditional knowledge, indigenous knowledge system also. Aaranyak is a separate subject in traditional knowledge. Aaranyak is within Aranya and Aaranyak. Those species which are within is Aaranyak.
Yeah.
Aranya is one. So this is a traditional knowledge system. This is all there. So we are that fortunate. At Assamese kotha ase na, there's Gakirote Mohor Kuti.
Exactly.
So that is the case. So there is so many interesting words in Assamese. And even in Karbi Along and other places also, there is sayings, some sayings. These sayings are so interesting.
Yeah.
So you remember this is generated out of this. And how there was a article we had to write because about the progress of science in Northeastern region. So I was given the job of zoology. So initially I ran around the whole area. How it started. Some doctors were around biology, some doctors were catch hold of his teach biology, like that. But gradually we found that before zoology come in the picture, people know about the different types of tortoise. The names are, the Assamese names are there.
Yes, exactly.
So how we started with a Assamese name standardization with the birds, around 200. Birandato Sar, Prabhuloto Goswami, with Manju Godua in we said 200 birds. There are all Assamese names are already existing. Few names may not be there. So, but issue is sometimes local names like the Bhela, what is called this pelican, Bhela, Dhera, Dhela, these are all pelican. So this changes with the district local. So local words are so important.
Exactly, sir.
Now you say the wetlands. If you say wetland, marsh, bog, like that, swamp, etc. But nobody will understand what is this. They will say Torani, Pitoni, Noloni. They will understand what is what.
Exactly.
In maybe Bodo also they are there. Another thing is that the culture of protecting area. Like this, in Karbi along, the plains Karbi, there are some wetlands. So before fishing, the king will come. In wetland, a king is there. One bill, one king. So king will bring and he will do some puja and then he will allowed to fish them and then it will be distributed.
Yeah. So
to all. Exactly. Those who have not got, he will also be given. So this cultural uniqueness is the guarantee of conservation. Whatever you are telling in so 8 or 9, this species is going endangered, it's okay.
So Aaranyak root already linked with everything. So
everything.
We need to
because that's why today also we have seen that so many other dimensions have been touched. Otherwise you cannot touch the people.
Exactly.
How you will touching the people? This is the last one you say.
Yeah, motifs and everything.
Then you see why if you unless and you wanted to do with them, you don't take their interest.
Yeah.
You are talking about only wildlife.
Yeah.
They say our life is also wildlife. Our life, you are not taking interest. So particularly, we have to do with pollinators.
Yes.
Very important. Pollinators and dung beetle.
Yes. Insects.
Dung beetle is very into it. They are destroying the dung, the quantity of dung produced in Kaziranga, Manas. who is decimating them and putting them back into the soil? It is the beetles. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time.
Exactly.
So this is an important thing, and Aaranyak has a role. All NGOs has a good role. But what happens? So certainly, people occasionally, unless and there is an environment day, they will not do anything. So our every day is one environment day.
Exactly.
Every day is.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
sir. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thank you.